Hello English learners, welcome to my channel. It's Neha. In today's video, I'm going to talk about very common problem faced by English learners. People are constantly searching for answers to questions like how to be fluent in English, how to speak English confidently, how to master English 19 or 30 days. But the real question is that possible? I got the solution for you. So I have put together 5 simple steps to help you improve your English. Learning English is not easy for everyone because some of us were not born into high society, and some people cannot afford to pay for English courses, and others simply don't have time. But with today's 5 easy English learning steps, you can make your English learning journey simple and effective. You don't need to spend a single penny for your English learning. And if you're a busybody, then don't worry, you don't need to spend hours and a day to improve your English. Even 15 to 20 minutes a day is enough to improve your English. So let's start with step number 1. Enjoy the process of English learning. If you want to learn English, you must enjoy the process of learning. It's just like building a healthy relationship whatever you are learning. So the first solution to enjoy the process is to engage with fun video content. If you want to improve your English and you're a beginner, then cartoons are a great choice because the language used in cartoons is simple and easy to understand. And the most important thing, at the beginning, you don't need to rush into difficult or fancy words. Start slowly and take simple steps. But if you are not like me, cartoons are not your thing, another option is to watch movies. And if you're from India, I recommend to start with English dubbed movies because many English learners struggle to understand native English speakers at beginning especially. So choosing a dubbed English version will be more effective and helpful. Make sure to watch with subtitles, but not always. Practice to understand English without subtitles. It will help you to build a habit of listening and understand English naturally. And another very simple, fun, and creative method is reading books. And if you're a bibliophile, you love to read, that's great. You can pick up any English book. But if reading is not your thing, it's make you feel bored or sleepy, start with something easier, like English comics, such as Twinkles or Kids Stories book. And trust me, these books will not put you to sleep. These books are fun to read and will also help you to understand basic English, which is very crucial for beginners. And there are plenty of beginner-friendly book collections on Amazon Kindle. You can check them out and download the app. The link in the descriptions. And if you are someone who loves to spend all day watching cricket or other sports, I suggest you don't waste your time. Use the audio language of your sports channel into English. And that way, you are not wasting your time. You are learning by enjoying your favorite activities. Step number 2, consume the English language. This step is very important and plays a key role in building your vocabulary. And we consume English by watching, listening. And when you consume English, you are not only learning a new word, you are also learning the pronunciation, sentence structures, and most important, how to use new word in real situations. Watching and listening expose you to full sentence and dialogues, and you see how words are used in different situations. Sometimes we don't just remember a single word, but an entire dialogue from our favorite movie. So the conclusion is, don't just memorize big words from dictionary. Learn from things you enjoy, from real life events, from the content you relate to. That's far more effective. And here, step number 3, practice writing in English. Writing helps you to identify your mistakes and also improves your sentence formation with new words. And I personally believe language is not just about grammar or collecting vocabulary. It's about expressing your thoughts clearly, learning how to present your point of view to others. So just start writing from today. You can write your thoughts in a diary. You can write captions for your Instagram posts, stories, or you can share your opinion and views on someone's comment sections. And writing is one of the best way to sharpen your clarity in both thoughts and communication. And step number 4, put your ego aside. The key to happiness and success is learning to ignore unnecessary things and unnecessary peoples. Almost 50% of learners cannot improve their English because of fear of judgment. But the truth is, nobody gives you that much important. Nobody remember you very long term, even if they paid attention for a moment. So just don't take anything personally. Don't think too much. Don't think too much about what other will think about you. Just understand the process of learning. So just put your ego aside, understand the process of learning, and keep going. And here is the final step number 5. Practice English when you are alone. Talk to yourself. So as an introvert, this method helped me a lot to improve my English. I avoid to talk with people. So in that case, I cannot ask to anyone to help with my English. So I just used to talk with myself. I talk every time in my head. And talking to yourself and thinking English is the best way to improve your English. Because by thinking and self-talking, you don't need to make an schedule for practice your English. You can practice anytime whenever you are thinking about something or talking about something in your head. So be creative, start imagining things, start making fake scenarios, and talk to yourself in English in those scenarios. And sometimes I speak aloud while talking to myself when nobody's around me. So start your English practice by enjoying the process, consuming English, practice writing and reading English books, talking to yourself, and most important, by being confident. So by following these simple steps, you will notice a great progress in your English. So just follow these steps, practice your English every day, be consistent, stick to your goal. And that's the key to becoming truly confident and fluent in English. So if you enjoyed this video, if it motivated you to learn English or gave you a little boost in confidence, then please hit the thumbs up and subscribe to my channel and share with your friends. Till then, take care. I'll see you in the next one.